Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be doing the next problem in the searching and sorting section, concert tickets. So the problem statement says that there are n concert tickets available, each with a certain price. Then m customers arrive one after another. Each customer announces the maximum price they are willing to pay for a ticket, and after this they will get a ticket with the nearest possible price such that it does not exceed the maximum price. So let's see the input. You will be given two integers n and m. Then you will give in the next line you will be given n integers h1 h2, which will be the price of each ticket. You are given n tickets and you are given m customers. So the last line contains m integers t1 t2 up to tm, the maximum price for each customer. So the sample input is we have 5 tickets and we have 3 customers. The cost of the tickets are 5, 3, 7, 8, and 5, and the 3 customers. And the maximum cost which the customers can afford is first customer 4, then second one 8, then third one 3. So we have to tell for each customer, print out for each customer the price that they will pay for their ticket, or if a customer cannot get any ticket, print -1. So this customer can buy a ticket with maximum price of 4, and here we have a ticket with price 3, so he will buy the ticket with price 3. This customer can buy maximum ticket with price 8, and we have tickets here of price 5 also, 7 also, and 8 also. But here you can see it's given in the statement that they will get a ticket with the nearest possible price, and it does not exceed the maximum price. So the nearest possible to 8 here is 8 itself, so he will get a ticket with price 8. Then the third and the last customer has a maximum price capacity of 3. uh, this ticket was already sold to the first customer, so now there is no ticket. This ticket is not here now in the and the rest of the 4 remaining tickets have cost greater than 3. So this the last customer cannot buy any ticket, so we print -1. Okay, so clearly one thing you can notice that we want the price of the tickets in sorted order by the nearest possible, so we will look for upper bound or lower bound, you can say. So let's first take the input. We are taken n and then m. Then we create a vector. No, actually we should create a set or multi-set, because there can be there can be, like in this example there are two tickets with the same price, 5 and 5. So there are two tickets. If we take set, then only one occurrence will be there, but we want both of them, so we will take multi-set instead. Multi-set of int. Okay, this is h. Let's keep it h only for int. So we will take the price of n tickets and we'll push them into the multi-set. H dot insert x. So the price of the tickets will remain in this sorted order. Now we will take for we have how many m customers. So for each customer will process. So now we will look for the closest or the nearest possible price ticket in the in our multi-set. We'll look for the upper bound, edge dot upper bound t, and now if it is double equal to h dot begin, means the first element itself in the multi-set is greater than the price. So that means there is no element, though there is no ticket available for that for that custom. So if the first element is itself greater than t, so we cannot buy any ticket for that customer, so we will see out -1. Else what we will do, we will see out. Now we have got hold of that index which is greater than, but we want to buy, so we will do minus minus it. Then we will see out the element, and we will erase that from this set, because now that ticket is already bought and we cannot reuse it again. Yeah, that's it. Let's run this. 381, and we have to do see out and we have to print a new line every time for each customer. 38 minus 1. So yeah, let's save this and see. Submit it. All for this video, and if you want to check the code which I submitted here, you can check out the description. I've given my GitHub link there. You can see my code from there. And for the previous videos also, I've updated the description. I've uploaded the link. So if you want to see code to any of the previous problems also, you can check the GitHub repository. Thank you.